Okay, I just want to show this to you guys. I have a 93 Helix, and when I was going to start it, I would put my foot on the brake pedal and the brake light would come on, but the bike wouldn't start. So I checked the relay and I checked some other things and everything was good. And I found this in the manual. So the starter limiter switch and the brake light switch are in the same housing, and the starter should engage at this distance, but the brake light engages at a different distance. So you could get in a situation where you press the brake, you see the light come on, but your bike won't start. So right now I'm pushing the brake pedal and I have this torn apart, but that's the starter switch. And what it ended up being was somebody had adjusted this rear brake lever, probably because the shoes are worn, and it wasn't engaging the starter. So now that I've adjusted that, I'm gonna push on the brake again and hit this. You can hear it's turning over. So hope that helps if anybody has a situation where they think their relay is busted or there's something going on with wiring. Could be that. And just for some extra context, this is pressing the rear brake pedal. So that's pulling the starter limiter switch open. And another way you can tell if it's not actuating all the way is if your brake lock isn't engaging. You can see that piston right there. The cable loops into that and then pushes this piston out. And so if your brake lock isn't engaging, that's probably why it's poorly adjusted.